Hi, I'm Chris, and thanks for joining us on SIRENNET TV. I'm here to give you a look at a product from Whelen Engineering. It's the VXE series Sorry, can we start that over?
No, you have to keep going.
I have to keep going? Okay. So from Whelen Engineering, it's the VXE linear super LED warning light. Had a hard time saying linear for some reason. I've been doing it for so many years. But anyway, this is a compact, low-profile design warning light which helps to maintain your vehicle's streamlined look while delivering maximum warning power in this compact little light head here. So when it's convenient in a mount area on your vehicle, so you could do this on the exterior, on the surrounds, front bumper, rear bumper, bringing this into the hatch of SUVs, but that's the thing you're clever with, is figuring out good mounting and placement for this product. So when it's going to be installed, it's a 1-inch diameter hole. This then mounts through using the included grommet piece here. So this is a grommet flush surface mount light head. It's available in 2 different models, so when you're reviewing your ordering and tech specs, be sure that you're selecting the right one. Part numbers will help with that, which we have on the product page. Essentially, you have the SmartLED model. This has built-in 27 scan lock flash patterns. So this is going to be for siren controllers outside of the core siren controlling systems. The other model is going to be a steady burn only VXE series, and that's what you're going to use if you are using a Whelen core system. The core system is taking over the flash patterns, but you could also work around that using Whelen's ULF44 flasher to control those steady burn VXEs, or their PLF46 flasher, which is just a newer option. But let's get into it now. So the light is available in duo color and trio colors. When you are connecting power and ground to these warning lights here, you will have a wonderful lighting output with the linear diffuser over the diodes. You have the option between a clear lens, which is what this is here, and the smoked lens. So if you're going for a stealthy look, this would be the recommendation to go with. Power here, this is a duo red and blue. You have independent color control with the trigger wires. Power to 1, color 1 activation, power 2, second color activation. And again, independent control. So red and blue flashing away nicely there. We'll take this away and give you a look now at a white amber dual color. And as I mentioned, these happen to be the built-in flash of the VXE series. There we have it there. The other thing to mention is there is a proper mounting orientation with this. So installation guide will point that out, but there's little arrows in the lens. So you want to make sure that those are facing upwards. Otherwise, the output of the light is not going to be what it can be with proper orientation of it. So there we have that there. Power over to the other trigger, and we'll switch to the smoked now. So again, clear lens, smoked lens. All right, and again, just looking at the arrows, perfect. So facing upward, proper orientation here for the light output. And just to give you a quick little look, so you have the light head here, you have your grommet here, you are going to go ahead, route the wires through like so. Same thing, arrows on the grommet, those are going to match the orientation with those on the front of the lens. That way everything is fitted in nice and proper. And slide the grommet on like so. And again, 1-inch diameter hole for the mounting on this. So there you have it, Whelen Engineering and the VXE series LED light available from us here at SIRENNET. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.